Saxophone whispers where shadows go. Gentle piano paints the twilight's hue as cobblestone sighs beneath our shoe. The books are sleeping on the dusty shelves with stories of lives and forgotten selves. A cafe's hum, a gentle drum in play, echoes the footsteps of an endless day. Oh, city lights, they flicker like a dream. Reflections murmur on a flowing stream. Philosophy spills with each thought we sow. Wistful wanderings of all we know. The drizzle dances softly on the street, its rhythm a pulse beneath our retreat. Old stories rise with the scent of rain. The sax sings again, an ache, a refrain. Oh, isn't life a fleeting kind of art? The tender kind that lingers in the heart. A whispered question hangs, dearest muse, with answers wrapped in the city's blues. Oh, city lights, they flicker like a dream. Reflections murmur on a flowing stream. Philosophy spills with each thought we sow, and wistful wanderings of all we know.
On the corner where the shadows creep, whispers of the city's secrets they keep. Underneath the street lamp steady burn, life's a game of dice, waiting your turn. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware. Tells tales on the subway line, lost souls searching, trying to redefine. Echoes of struggle in alleys tight, fighting for a moment under neon light. Corners hum with a jazzy groove, time stands still, it's hard to move. The rhythm of life, fast and slow. Navigate the maze, let the story flow. Bare knuckle truth, raw and unrefined. Every line's a pulse from a vivid mind. Urban poets in the court of kings, street symphonies when the corner sings. City lights shine, but they never show